Goldenbee Global, the Bee Hive of Learning.
Wishing you all a very happy Onam, and I wish you all happiness, good health and success on occasion of this Onam festival.
പൂവിളി പൂവിളി പൊന്നോണമായി നീ വരൂ പൊന്നോണത്തുമ്പി.
ഞങ്ങൾ മലയാളികൾക്ക് ഓണം ഒരു ആഘോഷം മാത്രമല്ല, അതൊരു വികാരം കൂടിയാണ്.
Onam is the biggest festival of Kerala. It is a festival of joy and prosperity. It is believed that King Mahabali visits his people and kingdom in the first month of Malayalam calendar Chingam to witness their well-being and happiness. People of Kerala celebrate his arrival with grand celebrations. Every houses will be decorated with pookolam. Dances like Tiruvadira and Pulikali will be performed. Community boat racing will be conducted on this day. May this Onam bring joy and prosperity to all of us.
Onam is the festival of Kerala. Malayalis all over the world celebrate Onam with great pride and happiness beyond the boundaries of creed, color or caste. Starting from Attam till the next 10 days of Thirunam, we arrange the flower carpet, and on the 10th day of the flower carpet, we made it as a grand one with different beautiful colors of flowers. And we have the Onam Sadhya, which is served in a banana leaf with variety of dishes. The ladies wear settu munda, and we have a beautiful dance which is called Tiruvadira. On this day, we recollect the olden days of the great King Mahabali. So let's all cherish and bring together our family and enjoy the festival of Onam.
I wish everybody a very happy Onam. Enjoy the festivity at home with the beautiful flower rangoli.
Onam is the annual harvest festival of Kerala, and it is celebrated from the first day of Attam to the 10th day of Attam. We make floral carpets from the first day of Attam, and the 10th day is marked as Thiruvonam, and we will be awaiting the return of King Mahabali. During these days, we have many sports items being done, and also we have the traditional Vallam Kali or boat race which is happening in Kerala.
The Onam festival is celebrated by the people of Kerala, and they are celebrated with lots of joy and enthusiasm, and people from all the religions, be it Muslims, Christians, Hindus, everybody celebrate this festival. They all wait and call their King Mahabali. It is believed that the spirit of King Mahabali visits his own country, the country of God, Kerala, on this day.
ഓണാശംസകൾ. നമസ്കാരം.
Wishing you all a very happy Onam. എല്ലാവർക്കും ഓണാശംസകൾ.
ലോകത്തുള്ള എല്ലാ മലയാളികൾക്കും എൻ്റെ ഓണാശംസകൾ.
എല്ലാവർക്കും എൻ്റെ വിനീതമായ ഓണം ആശംസിക്കുന്നു.
So happy Onam, celebrate Onam with lots of flowers and Onam Sadhya.
എല്ലാവർക്കും എൻ്റെ ഹൃദയം നിറഞ്ഞ ഓണാശംസകൾ.
എല്ലാവർക്കും ഗോൾഡൻ ബി ഗ്ലോബൽ ഫാമിലിയുടെ ഓണാശംസകൾ.
Goldenbee Global, the Bee Hive of Learning.